In question 5, question is what length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of the height. Height is given 8 meter and base radius is 6 meter. Okay. Now we know from the rectangular sheet, okay, if you fold like holding this corner, if you fold like this, you will make a tent, isn't it? Conical shape will be made by folding this rectangular sheet like this, holding this side, and if you fold like this, you will get one conical shape figure. In that, extra part will be there. Okay. Now in question it is asked, this tarpaulin sheet, rectangular sheet we are using to make conical shape, it is 3 meter wide, but length is not given. This length is not given. Okay. So what length is required? So what we will do here, first we will find CSA, because only CSA can be made. Bottom part will be open. Okay. So first we will find CSA of this, CSA of cone using this dimensions. Okay. Then we will equate that CSA with area of this tarpaulin. So what we will do first, H and R is given. In CSA of cone, we know formula is pi r L. So first we should find L here. So H square plus R square. So 8 square plus 6 square means 64 and 36, which gives 100, that is 10. Okay. So this is slant height. Now CSA of cone. CSA of conical tent. Okay, tent we are making, that is pi r L. Pi is given, use 3.14. Okay, L is 10. So see this 10, if you multiply with 3.14, this decimal will shift to the right, so 31.4 will come. Okay, now we can multiply this to get final answer. Okay, so 188.4 meter square. This is CSA of 10. So, and we know area of tarpaulin required equals to CSA of cone. But area of this is what? L into B. And this we got as 188.4 meter square. But breadth is given, it is 3 meter wide, so L into 3 is equal to 188.4. So L is 188.4 divided by 3. So from 3 we can cancel 3 6s, then 3 2s will come, then 3 8s 24. So 62.8 meter is the required length. Then one more condition is given. Assume that the extra length of the material will be required for stitching margin and cutting is 20 centimeter. Okay. So this much actual length is required. For margin, for cutting and stitching, 20 centimeter is extra. That means we should add. Okay. So length of tarpaulin, we can write 62.8, that is in 20 centimeter. Okay, 20 centimeter means if you want to convert it into meter, we will divide by 100, isn't it? So 1 by 5 will come. 1 by 5 means 0.2. So directly I am writing 0.2 here. So 62.8 plus 0.2 will give 63 meter. In question number 6, slant height of and base diameter of conical tomb are given 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. Okay, find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface at the rate of 210 per 100 meter square. Cost is given 210 rupees For 100 meter square, cost is 200 rupees. Okay. So first we will find CSA. For that we require radius. Okay. So radius is d by 2, that is 14 by 2, which is 7 meter. So CSA of cone or conical tomb we can write is pi RL. So 22 by 7, R is 7, L is 25. So 7 will go. So 25 and 22 we can multiply to get our answer. 25 2s are 50, then 50 plus 55, so 55 meter square. Okay. So this is the cost. Now what we this is the CSA. Now cost of whitewashing for 100 meter square is 210 rupees. Okay. So cost of whitewashing for 1 meter square will be 210 divided by 100, isn't it? So this is 21 by 10 or 2.1 rupees. Okay. Now cost of 1 meter we know. So cost of 550 we can find easily. So cost of 550 will be cost of whitewashing 550 meter square will be 550 into this we should multiply, isn't it? So 21 by 10. So 10 will go. 55 into 21 will give answer as 1155 rupees. In question 7, Joker's cap is in the form of right circular cone. Of radius is given 7, height is given 24. We know Joker's cap means base part will be open, isn't it? This part will be open. That means only CSA we should find here. So for CSA we have formula pi r L and H is given to us. Okay, H is given to us. So what we will do here? First we will find L using these two dimensions. So L will be H square plus R square. So 24 square plus 7 square. This will be 576. 7 square means 49, which will be 625, which is square root of 605 is 25 centimeter. Now CSA. CSA of Joker's cap we can write, or cone, pi r L. So 22 by 7, R is 7, L is 25. 7 will go, 22 into 25 will be 550 centimeter square. Now area of the sheet required to make such 10 caps. So this is for one cap, isn't it? So for 10 caps, total area will be 10 into 550. So that will give 5500 centimeter square. Question number 8 is very easy. Only the thing is, story behind the question is, a bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road. You must have seen this shape of the orange and white strips are there, or complete orange. Okay, these are hollow in nature, means inside this top this base is open. So such 50 cones we required, and diameter is given and height is given. Cost of painting for per meter square is 12 rupees. So what will be the total cost of painting all these cones? Means 50 cones. So from D we will find first R, and since we should find CSA, so for that we required L also. L is not given, so using these R and H we will find L first. So R will be 40 by 2, that is 20 centimeter. Now to convert this into meter, we will divide by, because height is in meter, see. So 20 by 100, that will give 0.2. So L will be h square plus r square. So h square means 1 square, that will be 1 only. R means 0.2 square. So 0.2 square means 0.04. So 1.04. So in question, value of this is also given 1.02. Okay. Now we will find CSA of cone. That is pi, r and l. Pi we should take as 3.14. It is given in the question. R is 0.2. L is 1.02. So if you multiply 314 into 0.2, we will get 628. After 3 digit decimal, 2 and 1 3, so 0.6, 1.02. So 628 and 102, if you multiply, so you will get 6 will come, 5 will come, then 0 will come, then 4, 6. Okay. Now count the number of digit 5. So 3, 5. So 0.64056 meter square is CSA of one cone. Such 50 cones we require. Okay. So CSA of 50 cones. 50 into 0.64056. So 64056, from 5 we can multiply, 0 will come as it is. 5 6 are 30, 28, 32. So 320280. Already 10 is there. Now after how many digit decimal is there? 5. So put after 5. So you will get 32.028. Okay, this is in meter square. Now cost of 1 meter square is 12 rupees. 12 rupees. So cost of this much, cost of 32.028 meter square will be, we should multiply, isn't it? So 33, okay, then after 3 digits, so 3 digit. So this approximately this will come 384.336 we can write, or 384.34 rupees.